Hello! Today we will learn simple morning sentences. Listen and repeat. I buy bread. I buy bread. I watch the sunset. I watch the sunset. I plant flowers. I plant flowers. I swim in summer. I swim in summer. I draw a picture. I draw a picture. I enjoy my time. I enjoy my time. I cut the paper. I cut the paper. I eat chocolate. I eat chocolate. I run fast. I run fast. I laugh a lot. I laugh a lot. I recycle plastic. I recycle plastic. I walk the dog. I walk the dog. I feed the cat. I feed the cat. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. I play football. I play football. I fill the bottle. I fill the bottle. I smell the flowers. I smell the flowers. I fix my bike. I fix my bike. I hang my coat. I hang my coat. I take off my jacket. I take off my jacket. I take photo. I take photo. I ride a bike. I ride a bike. I jump high. I jump high.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.